Question number 1. Which mobile setting helps save battery life the most? Option A, high screen brightness. Option B, always on display. Option C, battery saver mode. Correct answer is option C, battery saver mode. Question number 2. What should you do to make your phone charge faster? Option A, use while charging. Option B, turn on airplane mode. Option C, keep Bluetooth on. Correct answer is option B, turn on airplane mode. Question number 3. Which trick helps free up storage space on your phone? Option A, download more apps. Option B, clear cache data. Option C, turn off Wi-Fi. Correct answer is option B, clear cache data. Question number 4. What is the best way to cool down an overheating phone? Option A, put it in the fridge. Option B, turn off unused apps. Option C, cover it tightly. Correct answer is option B, turn off unused apps. Question number 5. Which feature helps protect your phone from viruses? Option A, airplane mode. Option B, battery saver. Option C, security update. Correct answer is option C, security update. Question number 6. What's the best way to save mobile data? Option A, keep auto update on. Option B, use Wi-Fi whenever possible. Option C, watch HD videos. Correct answer is option B, use Wi-Fi whenever possible. Question number 7. What should you do before installing a new app? Option A, skip permissions. Option B, read app reviews. Option C, install quickly. Correct answer is option B, read app reviews. Question number 8. Which setting helps reduce eye strain at night? Option A, dark mode. Option B, bright mode. Option C, flashlight. Correct answer is option A, dark mode. Question number 9. What can you do to improve mobile speed? Option A, install more apps. Option B, clear background apps. Option C, keep Bluetooth on. Correct answer is option B, clear background apps. Question number 10. Which method is best to find a lost Android phone? Option A, Google Find My Device. Option B, dial random numbers. Option C, post on social media. Correct answer is option A, Google Find My Device. Question number 11. What helps protect your data if your phone is stolen? Option A, lock screen password. Option B, high brightness. Option C, battery saver. Correct answer is option A, lock screen password saver. Question number 12. What's the benefit of clearing cache regularly? Option A, slows your phone. Option B, increases storage space. Option C, reduces battery life. Correct answer is option B, increases storage space. Question number 13. What is the purpose of Do Not Disturb mode? Option A, blocks all apps. Option B, stops notifications and calls temporarily. Option C, turns off Wi-Fi. Correct answer is option B, stops notifications and calls temporarily. Question number 14. What happens if you overcharge your phone overnight? Option A, it improves battery. Option B, it may reduce battery health. Option C, it makes charging faster. Correct answer is option B. It may reduce battery health. Question number 15. Which mode helps you use phone easily with one hand? Option A, gaming mode. Option B, one-hand mode. Option C, airplane mode. Correct answer is option B, one-hand mode.